Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time. I am making a Happy Mail project today, and we're going to be making matchbook notebooks. I'm using this Magical Thinking paper pad. It was a special edition from Craftsmith from Michaels when they came out of nowhere for $4.99, like they used to be in the good old days. So I'm going to use that. I've already have this paper picked out here, and I have a big thing of scrap plain pieces of paper here, and we're going to get started by cutting this down to size, and we need it to be 3 1/4 by 7 1/8. So we're going to cut this to 3 1/4. I picked this paper because I wanted the pattern to still be visible. I didn't want a huge pattern. And then we're going to cut it to 7 1/8. Okay, so that's what we're cutting to. And then we need a scoreboard. So I have my scoreboard here. Now we got to make sure we want this bottom to be the top, so it folds down and it's right side up. So the bottom is going to be the top. So we're going to take this here, I'm going to flip it over, and we're going to score at 1 inch and 3 1/4 inch. Well, that's dumb. I just did that wrong. Not 3 1/4, 4 1/4, because we want it to be 3. Ay, that's fine. And there we go. We have a little matchbook. Okay, so what we're going to do is cut some paper to go inside of it. I'm going to just grab some random scraps. Like I have this really cool paper here. What colors do we have in here? We have all kinds of colors in here. I have that pink. What else do I have? We have some of this really cool green. We have some, like a tan color. Orange. Purple. How many pieces do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do 10. Seven, 8, let's see, what else? 9, and one more piece. What a nice craft piece. Okay, so we have all of our pieces. I'm going to cut them to 3 by 3 and be back so you don't have to watch me. Okay, here we go. I have all of these papers and I cut them to 3 by 3. And then all we're going to do is put them in some kind of order because I don't want like the pinks together. So I think I'm going to put this pink in front. Put this one here, and that looks, I just didn't want the 2 pinks together. Like other than that, I don't really particularly care how they go. And now we're going to put them in, stack them in here, and we're going to staple it. Easy peasy. Now, I don't think that stapler will go through. I have a big stapler. Let me find it. But I don't think my little mini stapler will go through that. So I need to find my other stapler. And I'm pretty sure it's buried. It is under all my We Are stuff because it's a We Are product. So it sits in my We Are basket. All right. The boyfriend was down here, but this is this little stapler set. Okay, so we're going to use this one, the big one, and we're just going to, I want to make sure that when I put them in, they're even, so I think I'm going to clip them. I don't want them to slip, so I'm going to clip them with my clips so they don't slip. Correct, right? Correct. I almost said correct. Is that correct? Hopefully this goes through. We'll see. I'm going to... No, I think it might be too thick. There we go. I just needed to stand up, get some leverage, and then do the same thing on the other side. Okay. Okay. And then I need to push down the ends because that was really thick. Really thick. I need to push down the ends. We don't want to hurt ourselves. Ow. Like I just did. I just hurt myself. Okay, there we go. We might have to trim this now that the staples are in because I wasn't sure where the staples were going to go. So that might have to be trimmed. We'll see. All right, there we go. So now you have this matchbook of little papers. And no, we can have it be a little fat there, but we can also trim it. Let's trim it. I think probably what, like a little sliver off. And then put it back in. And that's perfect. Look at that. That is super cute. And then if you wanted and you had stuff to decorate it with, you could decorate it. And then you could put a blank piece of paper. Me looking for blank pieces of paper when they're right here in front of me. Ay, ay, ay. Then I'm going to take this. Oh, that's a great size. I'm going to cut this down to 3 inches. And glue that on the back. And you could write something on the back if you really wanted to. Glue that on the back, and if you're going to send it out in Happy Mail, you could write something on there if you wanted to, and then it also covers those staples. And then the person who gets it can just open it up, and if they want a piece of this paper, they can just pull it out if they want it. So you just yank it out. Okay? Or keep it the way it is. I would personally keep it the way it is, and I would maybe just journal on this. And then put this in my journal. That's what I would do with it. But I think it's super cute. But you definitely need a good stapler to do that, or less papers. You could do less. You could do 5. Should we do one with 5 and see how much our mini little stapler can go through? Should we try that? We have time. This is only at 8 minutes. I'm just looking for a different piece of paper. Let's not do it the same, shall we? But I know I have paper cut already. Here we go. I just didn't want to have to cut into another sheet. So we're going to use this one. And what did I say? It was 3 and a quarter. 3 and a quarter by 7. 3 and a quarter by 7 and an 1/8. But now we know that it cannot be 7 and an 1/8. So we'll cut it to 7 and see how we go. Was it 7? I don't remember. You guys, I don't remember. That was how long ago? It wasn't that long ago, and I already don't remember. Probably because I got interrupted. So this is not even at 6. So it's 6 and 7/8. So let's do 6 3/4. There we go. So it was 6 3/4. We're doing it now to see if we won't have to trim any off then. Okay? So 3 1/4 by 6 3/4. And once again, you still score. We want the bottom to be our top. So you still score at 1 4 1/4. So 1 inch and 4 1/4 is what you score at. Okay. And now we're going to take 5 pieces of paper that we're going to cut to 3 by 3. I'm just trying to pull out the ones that I have already cut here. Okay. So we're going to cut these 3 by 3. That is not 3 inches. Not 3 inches. Is this? Nope. Okay, so 3 by 3. Hopefully the rest of them are the right size so I don't have to keep digging out paper. Nope. That sucks. My computer is hitting the wall and it's driving me nuts. There we go. So 3, that's 3, that's 3, 3 by 3, 3 by 3, okay, 3 by 3. And then I have my little We Are the little We Are stapler that I usually use when I'm crafting. I just want to know if we'll be able to get through this little amount. Let's do this. What do you guys think? My predictions are no. That's my prediction. Not happening is my prediction. Oh, look at that. I was wrong. There we go. So 5 pieces can easily use my little mini stapler. And I think I actually like the 5 pieces better than the 10 pieces. But there you go. Little Matchbook notebooks that you can send in Happy Mail. They are not super thick. This one obviously is thicker, but the 5 one would be perfect and super easy to put together. So 3 1/4 by 6 3/4, scored at 1 and 4 1/4. That's it. And then you add your 3 by 3 pieces and staple. Easy peasy. What do you guys think? I really like this one. It was quick, easy, and it was something that I've never actually seen before. And if it's out there, I'm sorry, I've never seen it. So there's that. But thank you guys for joining me today. Comment down below and let me know. Do you like to send out Happy Mail? Are you one of those people who like to send out little packages of Happy Mail? I've done it before. I don't mind doing it. It gives me a reason to de-stash some of my stuff. But it's so expensive now. It's just so expensive now to send stuff out. So you let me know down below, do you like to send out Happy Mail? I'm always curious to know about that. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Please like, subscribe, and have a great rest of your day.